Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about few important questions. You know that in question paper, basically there are four sections. Section A, it carries 1 mark questions. You have to write answers just in one word or in one sentence. Section B carries 2 mark questions. Similarly, section C carries 3 marks questions and section D carries 5 marks questions. Now in sections A, we observe few important questions, and these questions are known as assertion and region questions. So today we will discuss about assertion and region questions. So what is the meaning of assertion? You know that you have heard about assertive sentence. So assertive sentence, just the statement is there. So here also statements are given. For example, in assertion, a statement is given, disease can be defined as an impairment of the normal state of the living organism. This is one of the statement given here. Then region is given here, acute disease have short period. Both are statements, but as you can see here, region is written. So the meaning of this second statement, it may be the explanation of the first statement, or it may not be the explanation of the first statement. Maybe both the statements are correct. Maybe both the statements are not correct. So on the basis of this, to solve such kind of questions, 4 options are given. These 4 options are: first, assertion and region, both are correct. And region is the correct explanation of assertion. This is the first statement. Second, assertion and region both are correct, but region is not the correct explanation of assertion. Now third option, A is true, but R is false. And the fourth option, A is false, but R is true. So you can see here that either both the statements are correct, and the second statement is the correct explanation of first statement. Like in this example, you can see here that this statement, disease can be defined as an impairment of the normal state of the living organism. This statement is totally correct. You just check second statement, acute disease have short period. Acute diseases have short period. Now this statement is also correct, but if you will check that this this second statement is not the correct explanation of the first. So, in this case, we will select this second option. A and R both are correct or both are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Now just check second example. Assertion is given, a mixture of salt and water can be separated by distillation. This statement is true. We know that salt and water can be separated by evaporation method, and now here is given distillation method. So how it can be true? It can't be true. So obviously this statement is false. So A is false. Just check the second statement. Salty water has more density than water, or we can say fresh water. So this statement, second statement is correct. We know that salty water has more density than fresh water. So reason, this statement is true, but assertion, this statement is false. So out of these four options, we have correct options, that is the fourth one. A is false, but R is true. So to solve all these questions, what you have to do? You have to first check whether both the statements are correct or not. If they are correct, so whether the second statement is the correct explanation or not. And just check whether one is correct, the other one is wrong, and then you can select a suitable option to solve such kind of questions. I hope so. This is clear to you. Thank you, class. Have a nice day. Have a nice day to all of you.